This 1984 49-foot Gulfstar is available for sale. The 49 Gulfstar offers a very roomy layout. Basically, she has an upper salon area that's very large and comfortable, another salon / galley area below that, 3 staterooms and 3 heads. This vessel has had both engines completely rebuilt, only about 50 hours since overhaul. There have been a lot of updates here lately been done to the boat. Very comfortable, roomy boat, great cruiser or liveaboard. She's powered with twin Perkins diesels, Onan generator. If you're in the market for a large cruiser at a very good price, this is certainly a boat you should consider. If you'd like to see her in person, contact us at Berry-Boger Yacht Sales and we'd be glad to get you aboard.